Hi, I'm Patrick Gilbert with the Second Line Restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm in the kitchen today with the Tennessee Beef Council and Chuck. Who's Chuck? Chuck's our artificial intelligence powered by Google, who will help us cook today either a steak, a burger, whatever your heart desires for the 4th of July weekend. You can find Chuck on beefitswhatsfordinner.com, Amazon Alexa, or your Google Home Assist. Today I'm making a breakfast hamburger. I feel like it's a little bit more of a brunchy burger, and it's one of my favorites. We're going to start with some premium ground beef, which we always will season with freshly ground black pepper. We'll also turn around and add salt. Salt is your most favorite ingredient in anything you cook. Let's not ever forget the salt. So Chuck today is going to be my sous chef, and he's going to help us with a few basic questions on how you prepare meals. Alexa, ask Chuck knows beef, where's the beef?
Hopefully in your fridge, marinating for dinner, or on your plate. Both are acceptable options.
So after seasoning the hamburger meat, you will form it into a patty just like this. We've got our beautiful cast iron skillet right here, which we're going to go ahead and get everything started on. Most hamburgers I suggest to be around 8 ounces, 6 sometimes. As we get our burgers going and cooking on our grill, we're going to continue to talk about what's going to make our breakfast hamburger a breakfast hamburger. So as you see on our demoed hamburger, we have an egg. And then we have lettuce, tomato, and onion on a Kaiser roll. So our Kaiser roll, I feel, is a very great option for our hamburger of this caliber. It'll soak up the egg that we've cooked at a mid-rare, because I love that runny yolk in it. It pairs really well. And you can't ever forget your vegetables, your lettuce, your onions, and your tomatoes. It's classic. Now, as we let our burgers cook over here, Alexa, ask Chuck knows beef, what's the perfect temperature for a hamburger?
Ground beef should be cooked to a safe and savory 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
As we continue to cook our hamburgers, what we are missing right now is our trusty egg. And what I like to do with my eggs is I like to skillet cook them sunny side up. Sunny side up means you just simply crack your egg, put it in your skillet, drop it in just like that, and we'll just let it fry up to our perfect temperature of nice and runny. So as we are going through, we also need to do a little bit of prep for the rest of our hamburger. Right now, I've got our Kaiser roll. We're going to cut in half. Now, the next thing we've got our mise en place here of our condiments and our vegetables. So I also prefer vine ripened tomatoes, which you can find at most of your grocery stores. They're great, they're fresh. They really hold a great flavor for you. You simply just slice them up. Some people can dice them, some people julienne them, but I find that you don't have to do too much with a tomato if you buy the right tomato. The next thing we can do is we can do lettuce several ways. We can do it shredded, or we can actually just peel off the leaves and leave them whole. I personally like to peel off the leaves and leave them whole, just to ensure that you get a piece of lettuce with every bite. The next thing we've got is our trusty onion. Now I go with a red onion and not a yellow onion. I feel like it's got a little bit more flavor. It's a little bit more sweeter than a yellow onion to me. And also, it adds a great look to your dish that everybody will be very happy with. Now, onions are done several ways. Either you can shave them real thin, or if you're like me, you like a nice little onion flavor in it. We can just put them straight on, or you can get them a little grill temperature. It'll actually bring out the sugars in your onion, give you a little bit more flavor. So the other thing we've got to add to our burger is our trusty bacon. And through the magic of television, I'm ready to go. So we're going to put our bacon right there on top of our veggies. We're going to grab our grilled onions off. We're going to also put these right there as well. Now, as you're making sure your hamburgers are ready to go, if you like them mid-well to well done, which we all recommend for safe consumption. Some people like their meat just a little under, but definitely to be safe over the 4th of July weekend and not get anybody sick, you want to cook it all the way through. It'd be 160 degrees. So I'm pushing on my burger just to help cook the process just a little bit more, get some of the juices out. So then we take our burger, we put it on top of our bun, add our cheese. Our egg is right where we'd like it to be. Place our egg right on top, just like there. And just for a little extra kick, we have some of this wonderful seasoning that we've got. It's a great mix of herbs, spices, and salt. We just sprinkle just a little bit of it on top as a finisher. It'll just add that extra little kick you need. I just want to remind y'all about Burger Week coming up. You can go to MemphisFlyerBurgerWeek.com, check out all the participating restaurants. It goes from July 10th through the 16th. They're $5.99 burgers all week long. As many restaurants as you can get to, it's $5.99. They're also holding a contest through social media. Go to as many restaurants as you can, take pictures of your burger, post, tag, hashtag, get you some free swag from the Memphis Flyer. Now, we'll be serving at the second line our famous Cooter Brown burger. But right now, I'm so hungry after making this breakfast burger. I'm gonna take my bite of it, and I hope to look forward to seeing all of y'all at the second line. Let's go Cooter Brown. Mmm.